We don't know how to pick these roads, love.
Yeah.
What a cute little village.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
I love these quaint little villages.
Just lush, and they with the roofs, and they're all different.
Well, this is saying I need to go right. Unsuitable for large vehicles.
Can't go right then. Oh, it says keep going, doesn't it? For the car park. This is the holiday bit.
There's car parking there. This is where it's telling me to go. Not it is down here.
Oh, awesome. I just didn't want you to have the stress of like I was turning around and...
Durdle Door parking 550 metres. Happy?
Yeah. We've got 4 minutes till the sun comes up.
Can't keep going a minute.
Serious? They've locked the gate. There's a... Oh no. Should we just leave it by ear?
Says no parking, strictly no parking. You can get to Durdle Door going down there.
Morning guys. Excuse the state of me. We've all got up and out early to come and see a sunrise at Durdle Door. So that's where we are. But the car park that we needed to park in, the gate is shut. So that means I ain't seeing no sunrise from here. We've literally got 1 minute till it starts. So fair play to the man, but he's in the van by there, currently looking on park for night. I've never seen a sunrise, so I was really, really excited, and we've all jumped out of bed. Nothing's made. We've just come tearing it down. And we can't park. And it's really annoying actually, because this is how close I am to it. There's the sign. I only got to walk down there. And the view is just down there. So unlucky for me, I think I'm going to miss the sunrise over the Durdle Door. Because obviously, strictly no parking means I can't be leaving our Sheila there. Oh, I'm gutted. Current situation, parked up on the side of the road. Couldn't get into any parking anywhere to see a sunrise. So we're on the breakfast task. The bacon's cooking. It's quite fresh out here. But this is where we are. Literally waiting for the car park to open. Oh, you can't make it up, can you?
Go up onto normal roof then. It'll be easier for me as well. So go behind, above me. No.
It's open! Let's just hope there's no height restriction now when we get there. We've only been hanging around 2 hours.
But I was reading on Park for Night, it was saying that it's like an overflow, so when it's super busy up here they open that one, so it's not open all year round.
We would have been sat there a long, long time.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm really excited.
Front up here, look.
I can get them right. You only need a sword and a bow. And a vest. Wait, I need to finish it. Whatever you want. You don't need a pickaxe.
Oh, so we just go down there then?
Yeah.
Nice.
I only need 1 hour, you know why?
Where we to, babe?
Durdle Door.
How long have you been nagging me to come here?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been a very long while actually. First of all, I didn't know what it was called and I kept seeing people posting pictures of this really cool arch in the sea and I was like, oh, I need to go. And then I found out the name of it about 4 or 5 months ago and I think I've been nagging pretty much every day since then.
That's a true story. So it does remind me, you know when we did the 8 Stack Sisters in Australia on the Great Ocean Road?
Oh yeah.
That's what it reminds me of.
It's really cool. I'm still gutted I didn't get to see sunrise. Can I just point that out? We've been sat for 2 hours outside in a lay-by.
Yeah, so we got woken up by the kids about 6:30, didn't we, love?
Yeah?
So I was like, let's go do sunrise down there then, because we were going to come down here today. We knew that.
And I've never seen a sunrise either. And I just thought, can you imagine seeing the sun rise up through Durdle Door? How cool.
Yeah.
But we got here on time, which was amazing. It was an absolute miracle.
Yeah.
To then discover that the gates are barriered off. You can't get in.
Yeah, so the car park doesn't open until 9 o'clock.
Oh, look, they got a ferry out there or something.
That's not a ferry. I'd be more inclined to say they are both cruise ships.
Still, that's quite big.
Yeah, it's very pretty. That's Portland, I believe. I'm sure that's Portland.
Do you want me to Google it?
We're not by the Isle of Wight, and I'm pretty sure the land doesn't go over to the Isle of Wight. That is ferry access. That must be Portland.
That's cool.
Now that's a stunning island to go on. Right, so Durdle Door is just down in front of us. Let's give you guys a look at what we're looking at.
A cruise? I thought it was a cruise. Dad said it's not. It's just a little like ferry boat.
No, you said it was a ferry. I said it's not a ferry. It's more likely a cruise boat.
Sorry. Pretty, isn't it? Oh look, the cliffs are all white.
No, love, this is not Dover.
I know it's not Dover. I was just going to say, I wonder if that's what Dover would be like.
Yeah. Have you not seen Dover before?
I've never been to Dover either.
Serious? Have you ever left Wales before you met me?
You cheeky cow. I just get on planes and fly over things. This is why the motorhome is so good, because you see things
Well, that's
that
it.
you wouldn't see normally.
The planes just, completely bypass all the good stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah,
You have to
this
take
is,
me on the Eurotunnel next, love, so I can see Dover.
yeah. So it's very pretty. So we'll show you guys when we've got a good shot down there and you can see a bit more. That is stunning. Love it. Let's go down and have a look. Durdle Door. Babe, come look.
Wow, that is amazing. That's much better than I thought it was going to be.
Should we go down and have a closer look? Come on then, there's some steps just to the side here.
Hold on.
That's it, stay to the fence side please boys.
You too then. smell like crab.
You can smell crabs?
Yeah. Send me a video of that. I like the smell of stone.
You should have heard what she just said.
What?
I'm still laughing. Tell Daddy what you just said.
It's beautiful, but it's still dangerous and slippy.
She come down the steps, she went, oh my gosh, I can't believe this, I'm risking my life. It is beautiful though.
Just like you, innit, sweetheart?
What are you doing, Milt?
I'm getting you a moustache.
A massage. A massage on a rock at Durdle Door.
Yeah, on the shoulders.
It's nice too, babe. Thanks. Never felt so
Dad,
relaxed in my life.
Dad, you don't get this. Dad!
Look,
Oh,
look,
Look over there.
look. Who's that, a little birdie?
It's so cute.
He's come to look for some food.
Yeah, baby. Hey! Now you moustache me.
My turn now.
Yes, because you went off the seat.
Let's go see what the boys are doing then. Come on.
Everything down here. Where's Dexter?
Oh, he's found like some sort of, he's making some sort of fort.
I got stick and someone gave me my walk. Here's my walk.
Oh, that's nice.
And a white glue. String!
They're so pretty, aren't they?
String! Come on, this is string. Find anything else.
That was good, that was, love.
You enjoyed that?
Yeah, well happy with that.
It was very pretty. It was pretty. So we're gonna go back up top. It looks like they've got some facilities here.
Look,
What?
Sheila.
Oh yeah, okay. That's not a bad backdrop, is it?
Yeah.
You got actually
That's what I was doing. I was like,
you got Portland in the back.
should I do it the other way then?
It don't matter. Let's go show everyone else what is here. So there is a campsite I think it's called Durdle Door campsite, isn't it? And they own this parking facility here, which is right on top of the pathway that takes you down onto Durdle Door.
Yeah, but you
I call it Dumbledore or Durdle Door.
No, Durdle Door. You imagine though, you're in one of these statics and you've got those gorgeous sea views, and then all day long you've got people like us parking and blocking the view.
Yeah, well...
Not that I care, because I'm here enjoying it today.
Wow. Right, so not a massive car park, but I'd say there's got to be good parking here for about 40 vehicles. I would imagine, you know, in the summertime this is going to be very busy, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, we were the first one in this morning, and we managed a good hour or so completely uninterrupted, didn't we?
Yeah.
We just messed around on the beach.
It was nice, yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, although coming up the hill, if you're not fit, let me just say this, if you're not fit, there are plenty of stopping points that you can take. I've had to sit down about 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, there's about 400 steps you can sit on, isn't there?
It nearly killed me off.
Here's the parking charges.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, look at that. There's a helicopter just down on the coast.
It's not a search and rescue one,
That was cool though, wasn't it? Oh, we'll
Not seen
zoom out, zoom out.
You haven't seen a helicopter before, have you, love?
Yeah, but not that, you know, not flying the coastline that low down. No, that was cool.
Yeah, but you've been in a helicopter.
Yeah, we went and done one of those thrill rides, didn't we?
Yeah, that was thrilling. See the lady in the middle was nearly going to be sick. That was a sunny day, that was.
So again, I think in the busy period, you have got an ice cream van here. In fact, I can hear the generator going on inside, so maybe it does open up later on. But yeah, you got an ice cream van here. And they do some hot drinks and cold drinks. And then you got a burger van here. So we've got some food, some drinks and ice creams for the kids. Durdle Door is just down that path there. Portland in the background. And a pretty lady by there.
I'm giggling because I was watching these poor people were walking up here and I couldn't help watch them to see how much out of puff they were. And
Was it less than you?
No, they were about the same. So I feel okay now. So there we are, guys. We're back in the van. Did you enjoy that beach?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's called Durdle Door.
Diddle, 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 diddle.
Would you want to do that again?
No,
Why not?
it takes too long.
What, to walk back at?
Yeah.
Yeah. We were all a bit out of puff, weren't we, when we got back?
I'm freezing out. Yeah.
Would you recommend for other people to come here, though?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Like the video and subscribe. Comment and leave a notification. Ring the bell.
Well done, guys. So you...
There's the notification.
Yes, yeah, there you are. Excellent. Come on then, kiddie. Should we go find something else to do?
No. No, we want to stay on iPads.
Oh, dear me. iPad generation.
Yes, yes. Minecraft.